I've been out here trying to kill every beat I know.
Okay guys, what's up today? Coming at you with a awesome video, I feel like. Great lessons to be learned. So with that being said, today we are going to go over how I nailed this stock and then how I find stocks in other places rather than just using scanners. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are looking at the ticker WATT, W-A-T-T. And this is a little bit higher price than normally I would like. This price line is showing where I got in at 1576. I thought was a really good price line. You know that I like the 7, but I felt like I could get the 6. And if I zoom out, why does it keep doing this? There we go. So you can see right here in the past or earlier in the morning, it kind of came down here. It kind of came down here, and then that's why I put that price line there. And not only was it there, but that was the top of this one. So it looked like a good resistance or support line, because it was obviously resistance right here, but it was support right here. So as we came down in through here, it just started tanking down. And when I saw these red candles, I was like, I gotta get in. I didn't get in on this one right here. I don't believe, even though I had my order there, but I did get in at the bottom half of this one, and then it just started climbing. I almost sold into this candle right here, but I thought I got in so low, I felt like I had room to risk, so it did come down. And I thought about taking profits in here just because I'd still be positive. It wouldn't be a whole lot of profit, but it's still profit. And I always preach take singles. So, and then eventually it hit a green candle, and then it kind of like fluctuated here, red and green, and then it popped up green. And then it just started growing some momentum. And then I ended up selling into this candle. I actually sold at like 17 flat, I believe. I know it's very close to 17. So right here, into this candle, yes, I could have possibly got way more. I could have got 50 cents a share more, but I wasn't willing to risk that, because as you see, as soon as this candle was done, it had a hard fall off, and then it's been downtrending, and then just now it's starting to come back up. It could run again. I'm not going to take the risk. I'm already out for the day. Good. I threw in some numbers in the thing just to show you guys. So 1570, 6. I screwed that up when I entered that in. And then it looks like I got out at 1702 actually. So say I got 100 shares. I just like going off of hundreds or 150s. I don't like 176 shares. I don't like that. So 100 shares. And then I ended up selling at 1702 is what it looks like. And then, yes, this was the amount I had invested for 100 shares. But is this the real money that I'm playing with? No, I play with more money than that. But if you look at the win-loss percentage, that's a 7% win. Please tell me what bank you're going to find 7% in. And this is like a daily compounded thing. Yesterday, yes, I didn't trade. But would you rather gain 7% every other day, or 0.5% every maybe a day? So either way, better than a bank if you know how to do this, and that's why I want to teach you people how to do this. So my notes were hit support and resistance. The pattern was a dip buy, and I'm going to go over all these patterns in my course, which is coming up. So definitely be looking for that. Guys, 7% of 100 shares, it's a $112 win, and yes, this is already subtracted. You already put the $14, so you subtract the $14 from that. It's still, it's a $112 win. That's awesome, especially for such a little amount of shares. I mean, yes, that's a decent amount of money for most people, but you got to give some to try to gain some. So about trying to find these kind of stocks. How do I find stocks that move like this? yes, we have scanners and we go through all of this stuff, but where do you really find them? So what I do is I do find them on these scanners. I showed you the volume one. I've showed you mine is the volume one. I've shown you the pre-market, the post-market, what to look for the night before. But a thing a thing that I haven't really told you guys about yet is other people. So no, you're not supposed to trade off of other people's things, but Tim Sykes, which is a penny stock guru, which I've learned a ton from him, not gonna lie. But what I do is he posts at least one stock every day, like this. This post right here. It's perfect. This is his nightly watch list. If you want to go pay, it's like $75 a month. I think it's a ridiculous amount. I've done it before. It didn't help me out. It honestly made me a worse trader because I was just going off of his stuff. So what I recommend is getting somebody, or what I'm going to be coming out with in the future is showing you guys and why I think so, but telling you guys got to trade at your own risk. You guys have to have your own ideas. I'm going to preach that. So what I did is I didn't want to look at this. Even if I had this, I wouldn't have looked at it. I just see WATT. That's all I care about. I just went up here in the thing, WATT, and this is what pops up. And then you look at it, you find support, you find resistance, but all of these, there's also more. So if you want to go here and then go to, actually I believe YouTube has, I've been watching random YouTube, but if you type Warrior Trading, he goes live in the morning, and my internet's not going to work right now, it looks like, so, but that's what I do. Find people that pump stocks. Tim Sykes says he does not intentionally pump stocks. I believe that he doesn't intentionally do it, but I believe that he's got enough people around him that it does happen. So if you find watch lists of stuff like that, you can watch those stocks, make your own opinion, of course, and find your own trade. But you can see it, and you can see patterns form in them. So definitely follow them on Twitter. You don't have to buy any of their stuff. Just use your resources. I don't buy any of their stuff, but yet I follow them. I'll go see WATT in the morning, or TEUM, I believe it was the other day, and then I'll go look at it. If I like the chart, I'll put it on my watch list. All you gotta do is come down here, TEUM, boom. That's not even a stock. So, but whatever. I want to say it was TEUM, but of course, I feel like I'm wrong. But anyways, that is a major factor in this game, is people pumping stocks and stuff like that. So definitely learn how to use your resources, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you guys out, and I will see you guys in the next one.